would just rather.
Oh, you did hit the charger.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow. See, that's what I mean. I don't know. I wouldn't just
Cut this open.
Why
Just
don't
cut
you
that
use a
open.
knife?
Because, dude, you cut yourself with knives.
Dude, this is not a way to open up anything. Seriously. I would never use this for opening up anything.
Yes. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about something very cool from across the pond. Yes, you cannot get this tool here, but hey, I thought it would be cool, so I went to Amazon UK and I ordered it and got it out here. I first saw this tool on AVE. Yeah, AVE. You guys, if you don't know AVE, check him out. Very popular YouTuber, very smart person, very entertaining.
You had to go to Amazon UK, so you couldn't get it on like regular Amazon.
No.
Huh? Oh wow, I didn't know.
I told it, it's like $170.
What they charge you to ship it?
$170 shipped.
Oh, free shipping?
I don't know. I don't remember, but it was $170 shipped. But the cool thing is, you guys, is actually not the cool thing, but in Europe, Bosch with the green is their homeowner version. This is kind of touted as cutting limbs, small pieces of wood, stuff like that. I use it to cut open packages, right? I always need to cut open packages, and I'm deathly afraid of knives because I always slip and like cut myself, so I just don't want to do it. So obviously seeing this on AVE, he was using it all the time, so I bought it. And then like a day after I bought it, he posted a video on how his chooched because it didn't work because it got all gummed up in here from cutting packages inside here. I'll show you guys a B-roll. Gets all gummed up with packages, so you kind of just have to clean it out all the time. I'm hoping that it's gonna last. I didn't really find it too good at cutting wood. Did you?
Yeah, I didn't. I don't really understand the point of this tool, but I'm just kind of lost.
It's just a mini saw, Eric. It's just for cutting things.
I understand, but I don't think it did that good on the wood.
Yeah,
the boxes. I would just use a knife. I don't, that's just.
What are you talking about? I mean, look at this here.
Because that goes in pretty far. I mean, if you hit a battery or if you hit something.
I know. Well, okay, that goes back to tool control, right? So here's our box that we're gonna open. I don't want to damage the contents inside. We already damaged one thing.
Yeah.
So like, it's like when you're working on wood and stuff like that, right? What if you don't need to go into the wall of damage? So you just plunge a little bit, right? Look at that.
I know, but if I took a knife, I could just cut there, here, and the thing would just open up.
Oh, what do you mean? Look how fast that is.
Let's go. Keep opening.
Well, I am. It does make a mess. Voila! Look, while protecting the content.
Now get your vacuum out and clean that all up.
Okay, all right.
So I don't know. That's cool. To each his own, I guess.
It sucks as a box cutter. I'm sorry, but the cool thing is too is the charger doesn't work here in the States, but I already had a 12-volt charger from another previous Bosch
So
product.
can you use regular 12-volt Bosch, or the 12-volt Bosch batteries here for those?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
The batteries are interchangeable. It comes with a 2.5 amp hour. You guys, you're probably not going to get this, right? Unless you're really want to spend some money.
Cool that it should show off.
Yeah, if you want to spend some money and go after it, I definitely would. I think it's cool. It's just simple. You just open this up here, and the blade comes right off. And then you have this Nano blade. I wish it would have came with a separate blade, but if you could see, I don't know if you guys could see that.
Yeah.
You guys see that? Hold on, I'll make sure the focus is on there. But basically, that's what's happening. So all that cardboard gets caught up in there and stops the chain from spinning. But that's the Nano blade. It's actually a very well-built blade. And it's still got some sharpness to it. It's actually a really nice, well-built system.
I think it is.
I mean, you know what this would be really cool on, you guys? Is a freaking jigsaw.
Oh, wow, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What if they had a jigsaw like this? It'd be almost like a jig bandsaw.
Maybe that's kind of what it's designed for.
Well, it actually is exactly the same as that.
You can actually.
I mean, it has a guide.
Yeah. Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So, but again, it's designed for Europeans. It's designed for, tree work, stuff like that. Just to have a small thing out in the shop. You know, it sucks. We can't get it here in the States. Bosch, if you're watching this, we really would like something like this from your lineup. And I'm sure we can't get it in the States because it's dangerous. Right?
I don't know.
I mean, but it's no much more dangerous than any other saw. But here, you know, in the States, you need a guard to cover the entire blade, probably. How are you going to do that?
I don't know. I would just grab the sawzall or whatever, the hacksaw. Use that if I was pruning or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Again, that's just...
This is really controlled, man.
Yeah, that I did notice. That's nice. I love the fact how, like you said, you can change the blade easily.
Yeah. It's just a cool tool,
Yeah.
you know? I like it. I think it's cool. Maybe it's excessive. Whatever. It probably has no use in the real world, but...
Dude, this fly is driving me crazy.
The fly?
Yes.
Get it.
I hear it. I don't see it.
Get it like the Cobra Kai.
Yeah.
Cobra Kai, you guys. Are you guys watching it on on YouTube, Red? Check it out. It's the readaptation of the Karate
Kid.
Daniel Son, wax off. Peace out.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.